Okay, so welcome to Ganitagya Academy. So today we will discuss, this is our demo lecture. So is that y is equal to f of x, where y is function of x, we can represent it in the x-axis and y-axis. So this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. Okay, so now what is the relation between y and x? What is the relation between y and x will define how this curve will be formed. How this curve will be formed. Okay, so here we can see if y is equal to x. If I will write y is equal to x, so what does it mean? This is y, this is x. Okay, when x is equal to 0, what will be the value of y? Y is also 0. So make a table here. So this is y, this I will write y, and here I will write x. Okay, so this is y and this is x. When x equal to 0, value of y is, let us write here only, y value is 0. When x equal to 1, y is 1. When x equal to 2, y is 2. Okay, when x equal to minus 1, y is minus 1. So if we will draw a curve, what we will come to know? That when value of x is 1, y is also 1. So this is 1. When x equal to 2, y is also 2. It means this point. When we will join these points now, when we will join these points, we will see this type of curve will be formed. Okay, and if I'll reduce the value of x, if I will reduce the value of x, what we will see? This will be the curve like that. So this is called straight line. This is called straight line. Okay, so this is y equal to x curve. So what I would like to convey using this expression is that x is known as independent variable. Independent variable. It means, what does it mean? That x does not depend on anyone. So x is independent. Now y is equal to f of x. Here y is equal to x. Y may be ax. Y may be ax plus b. So different, y may be x square, y may be x cube. Anything can happen. So here if y is function of x, it means y is dependent variable. Y is dependent variable. Am I clear? Please write it down. Okay. So this will be called polynomial in x of degree n. Degree n. So highest power of x means highest power of independent variable is known as degree of the polynomial. So here degree is n. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so now next one is if f of x is equal to other function is also there. Okay, so it will be if it is having trigonometric function. If f of x having trigonometric function. What is trigonometric function? What is trigonometric function? I don't know, you know or not? Trigonometric function. So trigonometric function means we have to see that time we will see the right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This is theta. This is perpendicular. This is base. This is hypotenuse. So you all must know the sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So any sine theta, if f of x is having equation like sine x plus sine square x like that. Okay, if f of x is having trigonometric functions, number one, if f of x is equal to having logarithmic function like log x, this is called logarithmic function. if you don't know this thing, definitely I'll teach you this thing, but this time write it. If f of x equal to log x, that is logarithmic function, or if f of x is equal to exponential function like e to the power x or e to the power ax or something, so this will called exponential function. Exponential function. So this time, as we can see here, what हमने क्या लिखा, we have written polynomial in x, so this is called polynomial function, and this time this function is called transcendental equation. This will be called transcendental equation. Okay, please write it down. Ask me if you have any doubt. Okay, so not what we have seen, y is equal to f of x if it is a naught s to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 like that, and it is a n minus 1 x plus n. इसको हमने क्या लिखा, पॉलिनोमियल. ठीक है. Now the point is roots of polynomial. What is the meaning of roots of polynomial? See, if y is equal to ax plus b, if y is equal to ax plus b, ठीक है. So अगर y is equal to ax plus b है, y is equal to ax plus b है, so can I plot it? This is y. When x equal to 0, this is not to do with anything. When x equal to 0, क्या y की वैल्यू कितनी होगी, b, isn't it? Where a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. So when x equal to 0, it is y equal to b. When x equal to 1, it will be b plus 1, b plus a. So this will be b plus a. When it is x equal to 2, it will be 2x plus b, 2a plus b. So this point will be 2a plus b. So can I say this will move like this? Isn't it? Why I am telling this one? Why we are discussing this? Okay. So अगर हमने इसको लेफ्ट साइड में एक्सटेंड किया, so it will intersect with the x-axis at some point. So at this point we call y is equal to 0. It means this is called y is equal to f of x is equal to 0. Okay, is called, so when y is equal to f of x equal to 0 is called algebraic equation. So the equation we will form is algebraic equation, okay, of डिग्री डिपेंड्स. यहाँ पर डिग्री कितनी है, 1 है. अगर इसको हम 0 पुट करेंगे, किसको, a0 x टू द पावर n से लेकर an तक को, तो ये हो जाएगा डिग्री n. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस डिग्री कितनी रहेगी, डिग्री विल बी 1. कोई भी डाउट आ रहा है किसी को, व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग? ओके, so this is nothing but the polynomial of class 9th chapter 1. This is chapter 2. This is class 9th chapter 2 of polynomial. Just I am introducing what is polynomial, and then slowly you can correlate with your syllabus, that is NCERT class 9 chapter 2. Okay Udesh, so hold on, take some time, you will get what we are discussing. Okay, are you getting my point?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so y is equal to f of x equal to 0 is algebraic equation of degree n. Am I clear? चलिए ठीक है. So let us say this is problem number 1. Problem number 1, that is 4x square minus 3x plus 7, that is equal to f of x. अब हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है, what is this polynomial of one variable? Is this polynomial of one variable? Is it true or not? Yes, it is true, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वेरिएबल क्या है, केवल x है ना. So f of x equal to 4x square minus 3 into x plus 7 into x to the power 0. So कितने वेरिएबल हुए इसमें? वेरिएबल इक्वल टू 1. समझे सभी लोग?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now now f of y, now f of x, now f of x is equal to y square plus under root 2. अब इसमें वेरिएबल कितने हैं बताइए?
One.
अगेन वेरिएबल 1. वेरी इजी. और इसकी डिग्री कितनी है?
2.
डिग्री हो गया 2. Isn't it? Okay. Then f of x is equal to x to the power 10 plus y cube then t to the power 50. अब इसमें वेरिएबल कितने हैं बताइए?
3.
वेरी गुड. 3 वेरिएबल. वेरी गुड. सो अब 3 वेरिएबल में क्या हम डिग्री डिसाइड कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir. The highest degree of a variable.
Yes, sir.
50.
Okay. So but it is not polynomial in the one variable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So now next is, if f of x is equal to 2 minus x square plus x cube, and the question is find the coefficient of x square. क्या देंगे आंसर?
-1.
-1. 2 क्यों? हाँ, only -1. Yes, it is -1. perfect. ओके. सो जो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे थे उससे कंफ्यूज मत होइए. ये केवल इंट्रोडक्शन था कि व्हाट इज पॉलिनोमियल. ओके. ये पॉलिनोमियल क्या होता है इसका इंट्रोडक्शन था, तो इसको आप ग्राफ से समझ सके इसलिए. ठीक है. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, सो 5x क्यूब प्लस 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x. दिस इज f of x. सो क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एंड देन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर.
Coefficient is 4 and degree is cube.
डिग्री कितनी है?
Cube.
3. This is x cube. Okay. This is also perfect. Okay. So अब we are having 3 type of when degree is 1, when degree is equal to 1, when degree is equal to 2, when degree is equal to 3, or it is 4. So when degree is 1, this is called linear. This is called linear polynomial. क्यों? देखो अभी आप समझो, यहाँ पर डिग्री कितनी थी? यहाँ पर डिग्री कितनी थी?
1. Linear.
वेरी गुड. तो लीनियर कर्व बना. लीनियर कर्व का मतलब क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Linearly increasing or decreasing. So that's why it is called linear curve. So one variable is always degree 1 is always called linear one. Then degree 2, what is it? It is called, this is called quadratic. Okay. When degree is 3, this is called, बोलिए, this is cubic. Okay. And degree is 4, it is called quadrilateral. So as we increase order, a degree, its value will also increase. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So how clear hai? Okay, let me move to next slide. If you are having f of x is equal to 5 into x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay. So can you find value of f of 0? Can you find value of f of 1? Can you find f of 2? Okay.
Yes, sir.
find f of minus 1, then find it out. Try it. So f of 0 will be 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So कितना आएगा resultant? 3 only. Like that, find the value of other 3 also. It is 5 into 1 minus 4 into 1 cube plus 3. So it will be 5 minus 4 plus
Sir,
3.
it's 1 square. It's 1 square, no?
1 square is 1. Oh, sorry. Yes. The 1 square is also 1.
Yeah.
है ना? So this is 8
Okay.
minus 4. That is 4 only. So this is done. Okay. बताइए अवधेश. Second one. That is 5
2.
into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. So this is 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3. So this is 10 minus 16 and plus 3. So कितना?
minus 3
minus 3. ठीक है. थर्ड
Yes.
किसका था? सोहा का. सोहा बताइए. Okay.
minus 4.
Minus 4. Let me confirm. So this is minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 square is also 1 plus 3. So this will be minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Isn't it? यही बोले थे आप. ठीक है. So सबने लिखा ये सब. Okay. So 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0, is equal to f of x, is equal to f of x. So we would like to know the value of x. The question is, find the value of x at which f of x is equal to 0. ओके. अब देखिए, अभी आप इसमें कर सकते हैं. f of x इक्वल टू 0 करने के लिए x की अलग अलग वैल्यू पुट करिए. जिसमें f of x 0 हो जाए वो हो जाएगा x की वैल्यू. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव रिटन, सी, दिस इज कॉल्ड अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ डिग्री n. When f of x equal to 0, that would be called algebraic equation of degree n. Understood? वो हमने क्यों देखा था वो? For this. So now put f of x equal to 0 and find the value of x at which this polynomial is 0. Anyone? So f of x. So this is 2 into 6 cube plus 6 square minus 13 into 6 plus 6. Isn't it? So f of 6 कितना हो गया? 2 into 6 cube कितना होता है? 36 into 6, that is 216 plus 6 square is 36 minus 13 into 6 कितना? 78 plus 6. So this is 2 into 216 plus 36 minus 78 plus 6. See, directly you can say this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, very less negative. So this is not equal to 0. So this is wrong one. Anyone? और कोई? अवधेश बताइए.
Yes, sir.
Try करिए. When this function will be 0. So try to put f of x equal to 1 and then put x equal to 2 and try to find out which is the correct answer. So now calculate f of 2 and f of 1. Then I will let you know the method how to find it out.
Sir,
So when we will put x equal to 2, it will be 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 13 into 2 plus 6. Okay. So it will be, see, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2, 16 plus 2 square is 4 minus 13 into 2 is 52 and plus 6. So this is 16 plus 6. I have done mistake. Any mistake? Please take it.
yes, sir. 13 2.
हाँ
26.
yes yes, okay okay, this is 26, so resultant is 0. So f of 2 is the 0. Okay, so we can say at x equal to 2 f of x is 0, so we can say f of 2 is the 0. Okay, so that time 2 is called 2 is called 2 is,
Zero of the polynomial.
हाँ, या फिर we can say roots of,
Polynomial.
हाँ, this is called root of polynomial. Okay, please write it down. If p of y, if p of y is y square minus y plus 1, this is the polynomial. So find the value of p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Find out these values. Find the p0, p1, p2 if py equal to this. Also find if p of t is given by 2 plus t plus 2t square plus
P of 0 is equals to 1.
p of 0 is equal to 1. Perfect. Okay, these two we will solve. Okay.
P
So
of
when,
1 is equals to 1.
okay, 0 square minus 0 plus 1, so this is 1. It will be 1 square minus
P
1
of
plus 1,
P of
this is 1.
P of 2 equals to 3.
2 square minus 2 plus 1, how much? 4 minus 2 plus 1, this is 2
3.
plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, very nice. So now repeat it for this one, p0, p1 and p2. Okay, so one answer will give Soha. Okay, one answer will be given by Soha, one by Amish and one by Amreen. These three, and then other three will give this answer. That is p of x is x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3. p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. चलिए करिए, सबका सबका असाइनमेंट हो गया, बताइए फटाफट. p of 0 will be 2. Perfect. Everyone clear with this? हाँ, now second किसको बोला था देने का? अमीश या अमरीन, जो भी दोनों में से जो देना चाहें. This is 2. So now p1 will be 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1, isn't it? So this will be 1 will cancel, so it is 4 only. Okay, now 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube, so this is
4.
into 4 minus 8, so this 8 will cancel, so again it is 4.
4.
कौन बताएगा? आकाश आप बताएंगे. When it is 0, it will be 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. So this will be minus minus plus, and it will be 6.
Yes, sir.
When x equal to 1, this will become 0, 1 minus 1. So other there is no need to calculate. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Yes. Now when it is 2, then 2 minus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 minus 3. So it will be 1 into 4 into minus 1. So this will be minus 4. The correct answer. Very easy. The next is find the zeros of polynomial. Find zeros of polynomial. So this may be called also zeros of polynomial or roots of the polynomial. So zeros of polynomial, first polynomial is 3x plus 1. इसकी डिग्री बताते जाइएगा मुझे. So डिग्री बताएंगे तो हमको पता पड़ पाएगा कि ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है क्या क्वाड्रेटिक
Sir,
इक्वेशन है?
first is linear equation.
वेरी गुड.
Second
Second
is
is
also
also
linear
linear.
linear equation.
थर्ड वन
Third is quadratic.
Sir,
क्वाड्रेटिक.
it's quadratic equation.
वेरी गुड. P of x is equal to x square minus 1.
Yeah, quadratic equation.
Fourth, yes, very good. Fourth one is x plus 1 into x minus 2.
Linear.
It's linear.
वेरी गुड. बिल्कुल गलत आंसर.
Sir,
बताइए क्या?
it's quadratic. It's quadratic. After
See.
solving.
Yes. Its degree is 1, its degree is 1. So degree multiplied. So और we will solve it. It will be x square minus 2x. पहले इस x का multiply करा, then 1 का x minus 2. So it will be x square minus x minus 2. So degree अब कितनी हो गई?
2.
Quadratic.
Very good. Degree is 2. So it is quadratic equation. Now P of x is Lx plus m. So again it is
Linear.
Yeah.
very good. So we have to find out zeros of polynomial. So when P of x equal to 0, 3x will be minus 1. So x will be minus 1 by 3. Is it correct? Easy. Similarly, 5x
Yes, sir.
minus pi is equal to 0. So x will be pi upon 5.
The point minus. Yes.
So this is also, so it means we can say at x equal to pi upon 5, this equation will become 0. At x equal to minus 1 by 3, this equation will become 0. Okay. So now x square is equal to 1. It means x equal to under root 1. So the point is we will call it plus minus 1. जब भी हम स्क्वायर हटाते हैं so हम प्लस माइनस लगाते हैं. The meaning for that is minus 1 square is also 1 and plus 1 square is also 1. Okay. So x is equal to plus minus 1. Any doubt in this? किसी को भी?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So now
Very easy method.
where is it? Yes. So P of x is equal to x square. So if we will solve this equation, that time it will be different. Different means answer will be same, but different method we will use. Otherwise, when x plus 1 into x minus 2 will be 0. So we can say either x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 2. In the both cases, this P of x is equal to 0. ठीक है? And similarly, this time x will be minus m upon l. लिखा सभी ने? Okay. So this is y-axis. Okay. So when x equal to 0, y is 1. When x equal to 1, y is 4. So 4 कहाँ पर? यहाँ पर. क्योंकि x के वैल्यू पे y1. When x equal to 0 like this. When x equal to 2, y कितना?
7.
7.
So this is 7. So this is 7. This is the point. कौन से पॉइंट है? ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है. वैसे x इक्वल टू -1. सो y की वैल्यू कितनी है? -2. सो दिस इज -2. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट. सो दिस कैन बी पॉइंट. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन हमने बना दी, ठीक है? समझ गए ना? इन पॉइंट जो है उसको ज्वाइन कर दिया तो ये बन गई स्ट्रेट लाइन. अब इसको हमने यहां पर एक्सटेंड किया तो यहां पर क्या हुआ? दिस इज इंटरसेक्शन. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x हियर? समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रहे हैं अवधेश? आपको
Yes.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है? दिस इज द
-2.
सो एट दिस टाइम f of x इक्वल टू कितना? 0. So that time x will be -1 by 3. So this point is known as -1 by 3, where x is equal to -1 by 3 and y is equal to 0. अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल। किट्टू, अवधेश, या कुछ प्रॉब्लम है अभी भी?
सर वो -1/3 कहाँ पर आया?
देखो
Yes, sir.
देखो x की वैल्यू -1/3, ऐसा क्यों आया? जब y इज इक्वल टू 0 है, y इज इक्वल टू 0 कब है? जब 3x + 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 है। सो
अच्छा
3x इज इक्वल टू -1 है, तो x इक्वल टू -1/3 है। सो दिस इज द
यस सर।
है ना, यहाँ
और
पर
सर
x,
वो नंबर लाइन पे।
हाँ नंबर लाइन पे x इक्वल टू -1/3।
वो एग्जीक्यूटिव 0 नंबर लाइन पे उधर आया ना, इसलिए।
अच्छा नहीं नहीं, ये देखो, ये रहा 0।
और फिर वो सक्सेसिव मैग्निफिकेशन से भी और निकाल सकते हैं।
परफेक्ट। So this is x equal to 0. This is x equal to -1/3. This is x equal to 1. This is x equal to 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. चलिए, सभी को क्लियर है ना? चलिए, so the next question is y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. Find the value of, this is nothing but f of x. So find the value of f of 2 and find the value of f of 3 and f of -2 and f of -3. चलिए, so f of 2 will be 2 square
Sir,
minus
it's 0.
plus 6. Okay, so this will be 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay,
तो मैंने
now
ये 5x में 4 ले लिया।
ओके चलेगा। अब f of 3, it will be 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So it will be 9 minus 15 plus
0.
again it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Is it? चलिए, then f of -2. So -2 square minus 5 into -2 then plus 6. So it would be 4.
Sir, it's 0.
It will be, no, we are doing some mistake. Find it out. So
It would be 20.
Yes. Yeah, it's 20.
or this is minus, this will be plus 10 plus 6. This minus
Yes.
minus will be plus, na? So this is 20. Very nice. Now f of -3, -3 square minus 5 into -3 plus 6. So it will be 9. It will be plus 15 plus 6. So it is 30. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
why we taken this question? Let me explain. ये सब आपने लिखा, सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब देखिए, अब मुझे बताइए, ये f of 2 और f of 3 दोनों 0 आ रहा है। f of 3
Yes, sir.
and f of 2 0 आ रहा है. It means we can say
-2 is factor of.
see, we can see, yes, 2 and 3 are factors of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So किट्टू, अवधेश और आकाश, x minus 2 into x minus 3 बताइए क्या होगा? x minus 2 into x minus 3 क्या होगा बताइए?
+6.
-6. -6.
चलिए देखते हैं। पहले x का मल्टीप्लीकेशन, x -3, then -2 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन x -3. Is it clear? So when x into x square, x into this 3x, then -2x, then minus plus, and this is 6.
Sir, x square minus 5x plus 6.
बहुत बढ़िया, x square minus 5x plus 6. Can you say this equation एंड दिस इक्वेशन सेम।
Yes, sir.
अब मैं कैसे इसको लिख पाया, ध्यान दीजिए। इफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 हैविंग रूट्स, रूट्स मतलब क्या, zeros
Zeros.
of polynomial, having roots that is zeros of polynomial is equal to क्या थे 2 and 3। तो हमने क्या कर दिया, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6 को लिख दिया x माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3। इज इट इजी?
Yes, sir.
So the question is form polynomial whose zeros are whose zeros are at option number 1 x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, b at x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3, c x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 3, and d x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3। राइट, ध्यान से सुनिए, एक मैं बताता हूं, बाकी आप 4 आप करिए, बाकी 3 आप करिए, ठीक। सो आकाश, वी हैव सीन अगर f of 2 is equal to 0 and f of 3 equal to 0, तब हमने क्या बोला था, 2 and 3 are zeros of polynomial। सो उस टाइम पे हमने x माइनस 2 और x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0 ये लिखी थी पॉलिनोमियल,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So similarly,
Yeah.
when I am solving b, so when x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3 are zeros of polynomial, are zeros of polynomial। अवधेश ये क्लियर है? that time what I will do, x plus 2,
X plus 2, X plus 3.
this will be the f of x, सिंपल। अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर
Square
प्लस 3x
plus
प्लस
3x
2x,
plus 2x plus 6.
तो दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6। चलिए बाकी तीनों आप बनाइए। सो फर्स्ट वन विल बी x minus 2 into x minus 3, this will be the polynomial। देखिए 2 को हम लेफ्ट साइड में ले आएंगे तो x minus 2, 3 को लेफ्ट लाएंगे तो x minus 3, so x minus 2 into x minus 3 will be polynomial, ठीक है। सिमिलरली c में क्या होगा, x minus 2 और x plus 3,
X plus 3.
वेरी गुड, दिस विल बी x plus 2,
X plus 2, X minus 3.
परफेक्ट, वेरी नाइस। एंड b क्या था, x minus 2,
X plus
नहीं सॉरी
plus plus
हाँ x plus 2 और x plus 3,
X plus 3.
ओके। तो मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख लीजिए क्या क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में लिखें।
सर आ गया सर, C का x square plus x minus 6 और D का है x square minus 3x plus नहीं x square minus x minus 6.
ओके, मैं भी एक बार कर दूं, x minus 2
Yes, sir.
x 3 पहला वाला x minus 2 x minus 3, so it will be x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3, so it will be x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, so this will be x square minus 5x plus 6। फर्स्ट हो गया, सेकंड तो हम कर ही लिए थे, क्या था, दिस इज a, b is x square plus 5x plus 6, ओके। c क्या रहेगा, x minus 2 into x plus 3, x minus 2 into x plus 3, so multiplication will be x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3, So this will be x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. So this will be x square plus x minus 6.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अवधेश क्लियर है, आकाश सबको क्लियर है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is x plus 2 into x minus 3. This is x plus 2 x minus 3. So it will be x square minus 3x.
Minus 3x plus 2x minus 6.
बहुत बढ़िया. So it will be x
X
square
square minus x plus 6.
minus 6.
Okay, minus 6. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. सभी लोगों ने लिखा? Is on remainder. ओके, यहाँ तक सब कुछ सबका क्लियर था? मैंने जल्दी तो नहीं कर दिया? सभी लिख पा रहे हैं? The next is, so the next is remainder. Okay, so the next is remainder. What is the meaning of remainder? See, you are having number
डिवीजन के बाद
डिवीजन के बाद 62 है, 12 से आपने डिवाइड किया, so it will be 5 times 60, 2 will be remainder. This will be the remainder, basic thing. So 62 I can write 12 into 5 plus 2. Is it clear? बोलिए, इसमें कोई डाउट है? This is very easy. Similarly, in polynomial, we are having equation f of x, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Okay, so the question is what will be remainder? ओके, ये तो बहुत इजी था, आपने जल्दी से 2 आंसर बता दिया, लेकिन यहां पर क्या होगा? इफ f of x, this is f of x
लॉन्ग डिवीजन.
वेरी गुड, ये एक मेथड हो गया. सो we would like to calculate remainder. So remainder will be very easy. Remainder will be f of minus 1 will be the remainder. Simple, as simple as it is. आपने जब x plus 1 से इक्वेशन को डिवाइड किया, x क्यूब plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, one method is that we will solve that also, and second one is directly put divide by किससे करा? x plus 1 से, so x equal to minus 1 put कर दीजिए. So x equal to minus 1 पे f of minus 1 will be the remainder. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me solve it by both the method. First calculate f of minus 1, that will be minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So this will be minus 1, this will be plus 3, this will be minus 3, and this will be plus. कितना आया? 0. Am I correct? This is called
Yes, sir.
simple method. Similarly, can we do x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and divide by x plus 1. So see, here it is x, here x cube. So I will multiply it by x square. So x square into x cube plus x square. Am I clear? हमने x square से मल्टीप्लाई करा इसको, तो x क्यूब प्लस x स्क्वायर, तो क्या बचा? x क्यूब माइनस x क्यूब 0, 3x स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1, है ना? इसको नीचे ले आए. नाउ यहाँ पर x से यहाँ पर 2x स्क्वायर है.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1.
वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट, नाइस वन. So 2x kara. So 2x will be 2x square.
Remainder is 0.
2x. It will be x plus 1. Then plus 1. X plus 1. Remainder is 0. So both method are giving correct answer. अवधेश कोई डाउट है इसमें? चलिए ठीक है. So the same question if f of x is the polynomial this is divided by x minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1 by 2 is divided by x minus 1 by 2 से डिवाइड किया. किसको डिवाइड किया? x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1. तो व्हाट विल बी द रिमाइंडर? बताइए. इसको
Long
सॉल्व करने
division.
की फर्स्ट मेथड क्या है? वी विल पुट f 1 by 2. ओके. सो जहां पर x है उस जगह 1 by 2 रख दो. सो 1 by 2 क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू 1 by 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 इंटू 1 by 2 प्लस 1. सो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 2 क्यूब मतलब 1 by 8 प्लस 3 1 by 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 प्लस 3 by 2 प्लस 1. ओके. सो व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल टेक 1 upon 8 कॉमन. सो दिस विल बी 1 प्लस 6 प्लस 12 plus 8. So this will be 7, 19 and it will be 27 upon 8. Please write down. We will see the last question of today, that is what will be the remainder? Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, so it means this equation is divided by x minus a. So that time what will be the remainder? Okay, try this.
This is NCERT question, no?
Yes, NCERT
Yes, sir, I
question.
knew it.
Okay, very good. So x equal to a. So f of a will be the remainder. So this f of a is a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. So this is a cube minus
a cube
plus 5a.
6a minus a.
Okay, so this will be
6a,
only
sir.
6a minus a now. 6a
Oh,
minus
that-
a, that is 5a.
Okay.
So a cube minus a cube cancelled, only 5a is the answer.
Yes, sir.